There we go. All right. So for today, you guys, we're going to go ahead and just use that same image that we did yesterday. So we're going to create a new image. So if you remember yesterday, we saved the outer space image. So we're going to go to our desktop, or where I save it anyway. Yours will probably be in your downloads, and do our outer space again. So I'm going to open up this outer space. This is just a quick review. We're going to select this, and we're going to copy that image, and we're going to click on the background, and we're going to go paste. And then from this, we're going to go edit, free transform. We're going to grab this corner, we're going to pull it and make it big, like so. And then place it where we want it and set it. Okay, now yesterday what we learned was how to put images into this design. So we taught you guys how to do a simple design. That was the Peppa Pig, which is the flat purple background. And that's the one where we would just click the wand tool one time and then hit delete or backspace on the keyboard, and it would take care of it. And then we also showed you that to do a complicated background, you'd have to use your eraser, and you would erase around the entire background of all your stuff. And then we also then showed you the easy one, which is the PNG, where we put Peppa Pig back here in his backpack. Okay, so today our learning is going to be focused around reviewing that still, but also teaching you guys how to do typeface lettering. Because when we do our movie poster spoof, and we start talking about that tomorrow, a big part of the poster is going to be obviously the title, a tagline, things that are going to be typed out for us. So we need to make sure that we have a good understanding of how to add typeface into our image. So one way to do that is to click on right here where it says the type tool, and we pick a spot here, and we just call it out in space. Okay, and I got to change the color because the black is not going to work. So if I can click on the color, I can pick a lighter color like a white like that and click OK. And you're going to see out in space right there. Now, that font may not do much for you, so you can whip through all these and see some that might be more appropriate for what you're thinking out here. Okay, so maybe we do, let's see, I saw one there that was kind of funky. We could do, let's do that one. And then we can change the size of it, obviously make it bigger, smaller. So let's do maybe this size. And we click OK. Then to move it, you guys, we make sure we're on our letter layer. We're going to click on the move tool, and then we can move this wherever we like maybe it's over here. Okay, that's one way to deal with font, okay, or text. Another way is to go back to our classroom and click on this link that's called Cool Text Graphics Generator. This is a website that has all sorts of different texts for us. It actually has over 128 texts if you want. Okay, so I could even go to the next one and you would see a lot of different types and kinds of text that we could use. Okay, so maybe I want to use, maybe I kind of like this Ice Cube one right here. So I'm going to click on Ice Cube. And then I'm going to type in out in space. And you'll see it load up here, out in space. And then we're going to scroll down here, and you have to click on where it says Create Logo. So I'm going to click Create Logo. And then once it's created the logo, you're going to need to click on Download. So I'm going to click Download. It'll download to your computer in your downloads. Now I'm going to go File, Open Image. I'm going to go to Downloads for me. Yours will be somewhere else. And then I'm going to click on the marquee tool, and I'm going to select all of that. And I'm going to go Edit, Copy, click down here, Edit, Paste, just like an image. And now I'm going to go Edit, Free Transform, and I can change the size of this however I want. I could put it wherever I want. It could be down here. It could be out here. Okay. I can also do something that's called free distort. I could take a corner and make it, kind of like that if I wanted to, or other corners and make it all sorts of different. So your design today, I want you to obviously add images in here, continue to practice that, but I also want you to practice different types of text and different types of ways of doing that.